Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to add guides in GIMP. So for example, if you would like to add some guides to this project, you need to go to Image tab on the upper side, and then you need to go to Guides. Here you can select one from 3 available options, but I recommend you to go to New Guide. It will let you to add a guide at the orientation and position specified in pixels, so I click it. And first you need to set direction that you want to use. On default it is set to horizontal, but of course we can change it to vertical if you want. Then you need to change position of the guide. For example, I will set here 100 and then I click OK button. And how you see, our guide has been successfully added to 100 here. The other method is based on percent values. So for example, we can go to image, we can go to guides, and we can go to new guide by percent. And again, we can change here direction from horizontal to vertical if you want, but I will set here horizontal maybe this time. And you can change here position in percents. For example, I will set here 25%. And now I click OK button, and how you see, our guide has been successfully created here. And the last, in my opinion, most easy way to do it is based on a ruler. So we need to click and hold left mouse button here, and then we need to drop a guide somewhere where we want to add it. For example, I will add it here, and how you see, our guide has been successfully added here. So it's all for today. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.